Okay. So you guys were talking about what a down payment was, and a down payment was a amount of money you pay immediately. That's not how you spell pay. This decreases your loan amount. Okay. Has anybody ever heard of an installment plan? An installment plan is usually run by a store where they will basically let you pay for something slowly over a certain amount of time. It's not as much of a, I mean, sometimes it can be a loan that you actually like apply for at a store, but often it'll just be like an agreement that you sign with a store where you agree to pay some interest and then pay it over 6 months or something like that. What kind of items would you pay with an installment plan? Yeah. Like a TV. Yeah, something more expensive. Like if you want to buy a mower, Farm and Fleet may be able to set something up, that kind of thing. Or wherever. So an installment plan is when you pay for an item by making payments over a period of time. Usually there's a finance charge. Has anybody ever heard of something called layaway at a store? That's also, they can do something like that. Often for layaway, they don't charge you anything extra. But what they'll do is you say, I want to buy this TV for Christmas for my family. Can you, and I know that it's on sale right now, can you put this TV in the back, give me the sale price, and then I'll pay for it over 3 months, and then I'll grab it when I'm done paying for it. That they don't usually charge you a finance charge for that, and they have to offer it in the first place. So it's not something you can just like go up to a store and say, can we do this on layaway? Usually they have it like advertised that you could do a layaway if you wanted to. An installment price is the total you pay, including your monthly payments, and your down payment. All right, so we're gonna do like we did yesterday, where I'm gonna do one, you're gonna do one, I'm gonna do one, you're gonna do one. Sound good? So let's look at the installment plan worksheet, and I want to start on number 5. You definitely need a calculator if you don't have one already. Okay. So it looks like this person made a down payment of $80 immediately. And normally, this item, whatever it was $405. So this person paid $80, and then they paid a monthly payment 9 times. So to find out the total amount they paid, what should I do? They paid $80, right? Oh, we're not gonna do anything with the 400 yet. We're just trying to figure out how much they paid. So it'd be, yep, 80 plus 42 times 9. And you can do that all at once in your calculator, because your calculator will do order of operations for you. $458. Now, the finance charge is how much the store is making off of you by giving you this deal. So if you had just paid for it off the shelf, you would have paid $405, but instead you're paying $458. So if you subtract those two, that'll tell you how much the business made off of you, which is how much? $53. All right, you try number 7 with your partner, please. Talk to each other.
I can taste myself a whole lot. I actually prefer about the same one.
All right, back to me now. Did you guys get the same thing I did? Everybody look up. Stop working on the rest of the worksheet. We're all good on that one? All right, everybody look at number 2 right now. Number 2. What's the difference between number 2 and the other problems? No down payment, and how's that going to change what you do?
No more addition.
Right, you're just going to multiply the monthly payment times the number of payments. All right, backside. Now, this is one that is complicated. Not so complicated as in like, it's just a formula that you have to use. This is not something that you would be required to do. They're not going to make you calculate your own APR, but it is a good opportunity to do some kind of math that goes with it. There's a formula that will approximate the APR if you ever know how much you borrowed and how much like interest you're getting and how much your payments are. And the formula is this. This is not something I'm going to put on a test, but I do want to see if you guys can do it. So everybody write down. It's 24 times F divided by